From the main screen, click the Church Ledger button. Enter your second-level password. This will open up your Church Ledger module. Let's review the church budget. Click the Church Budget button. Begin by selecting which account you would like to budget. Propose a budget amount for that year in question. The set budgeted amounts are compared to the actual amount in your church ledger for that account category. You can propose a budget by clicking the Propose button. The budgeted comparisons are shown in this window. To the budget report, click the Reports button.